If you are in Metro Manila and are looking for a clean and budget-friendly place to stay, I recommend Red Planet Hotel in Cubao. Let's have a quick room tour to see what to expect from this budget-style hotel. Sobrang comfortable ng bed, may AC and TV, free Wi-Fi and work table for someone who needs a workspace, mini ref, electric kettle and mugs. Meron din vanity mirror and hair dryer. Sa comfort room, may 3-in-1 soap and clean towels provided. At syempre, hot and cold shower. Super convenient ang location for a concert goer like me dahil malapit sa New Frontier Theater at Araneta Coliseum. Malapit rin sa mga bus terminals para sa mga bumabiyahe pa norte. If you have your own car, don't worry because they have parking spaces